So I'm going to put my pepper roti into my dabila. Heading down the road. Good day everybody, welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. Adding some baking powder into this flour, some salt to taste, and some sugar inside here. And this is my cookie here, adding a piece of my ham. And this is a piece of cookie here. So everything has to be inside of here. Wonderful. How beautiful this flour will come out, eh? So when you're kneading your flour, you can't over knead it too much for your, it will come out, make your roti be really stiff and hard. So you have to knead it in a nice way that you can get it for your roti. So you see how Shanty flour knead fluffy and nice. Watch at it, fluffy. Nothing going into this now. So this stay in here to make my roti. So this is my pepper in here. So let's see Shanty long time This is some already garlic crush. I'm putting it together back with the pepper. That is some pepper roti. So this is a real long time kind of blender Shanty have here. Eh? Look at this new kind. Eh? Look how it make up. Right. So this is some pepper. Look at this. So that is how I'm going to make. It's not no business pilau. I'm not here me pilau, sorry. The pepper roti. That is home make Chulha pepper roti. So we're going to do it here. So this is for the pepper roti here. Wonderful. Nice. Smell that. Oh my Lord. Right, so this is my sweet pepper mini up here. So we're going to put it in the mini chopper. I have it in and using no blender. Give me at Lisa. And this going in inside of the give me. Right, so this is a potato here. I am boiling it. I'm using it into the mini boil. So you will see here how nice it coming out. That is some pepper roti. So this going in here. So this have my sweet pepper and the potato in here. So I didn't boil the potato. I'm using the potato. Right? So the pepper is going to do the work here. So that's sweet there. That's the potato done here. Look at this. Right? So everything going to mix up in this here with the put on the roti there. You can see everything. This is my butter going in here. And this is a little ghee I have here. I'll drop in the ghee on the side of here. Right, so the ghee and this butter going to mix together like this. Right, that is for the roti. So I add in some flour into here. Right, so have this soft and silky now to run in your roti, right? So what I was telling already, the ghee and the butter. Going in here. We're going to paste this right through into the roti. Make sure you paste it until you see right through get the butter. But you can't do plenty butter. You have plenty ghee, little bit like this. And you rub him. Right? Like that. Some dry flour. And you cut it. Start to roll it like this. Take your time, you roll it. Pull this one and sand it in here. This one now, drop a little flour on top of them and here. Getting it to make my pepper roti. So this is have everything. This have carrots, potato, sweet pepper, bandania, everything this have in it. So this is what Shanty mixing up here to make she pepper roti. So I'm going to show you how this pepper roti coming out there just now. So this is Shanty going to make she pepper roti here now. So Shanty going to bail she roti for she pepper roti now. Bailing him so. So this is with pepper roti, right? So I'm going to put in some pepper here. Right? You see me pepper here. This have everything in it, right? Take a look at this pepper roti. Now all you might see Shanty putting on in the end. I'll little study the end. I'll show you the reason why Shanty leaving them ends for. Smell that pepper roti. Already. It is ready to eat, but it pick up nice. Right, look at it. So this have everything inside right here. Wonderful. Nice pepper roti. Right. So this is Shanty cheese going in here. Mushy pepper roti. I do chinks when I'm making nothing. See that? For us. Right? So this one going up. So the rest of this one here. And I'm going to see why Shanty didn't put it to the end, because the end going to seal here now. See how Shanty ends locked there now? Right, so pick it up. So my pepper roti. So I'm going to pick my pepper roti up now. So I'm going to put my pepper roti into my dabila. Heading down the road. get that air out. That is air inside of the roti. Right. So put some oil. Yeah, that is a roller brush. So this pepper roti here now have to cook. All you do not put it up on your tawa and you rush to take it down. No. Everything in it have to cook. It have to take its time and it's cooking on the tawa. You see how Shanty want taking she time and it's getting brown? That is how Shanty want the oil now is. When you put in the oil is to cook it. Some people might say it's too much oil. No, it's not too much oil. Your oil is to cook your roti and slow, very slow heat. So I'm going to show you this. Just now how beautiful this roti come out. It just take it time and cook. So I press the end here. So the end is a little too fat now. It's going to get into to be really nice. So you have to keep flipping. It's a little heavier because the topping in it real heavy. Right. So let it take its time and cook here. Wonderful and beautiful let cook. Look at it. All I watching the pizza. Look at the pizza. How nice. Look at the pizza now. Really nice. Over nice. Look at it. It's ready to eat. Beautiful. Right. So this one done here. Shanty going to cut it and show you this one. Right. This one is the. Look at it. Right. So cutting it. Look at it. Look at the cheese in it. Feel nice. See how beautiful and nice. It come out. Now why is Shanty cutting it hot from here? Because she want to put it there and top there. Look at it. This is an 18-inch dal puri, feeding everybody with it. It's so wonderful. It's cutting. Look at this. What's inside of here? Yeah. Well cooked. So let's don't ask why I'm cutting it for here, because we have to cut it here. I'm not putting it on the table to cut. I want to cut hot to show you how it's from the Chulha.